2017 Kia Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, rear defrost, power door locks, child safety locks, bucket seats. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.